friends, today we learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube layer by layer with the help of algorithms. Solving Rubik's Cube requires a high intelligence. In this video we'll learn how to also discuss about the algorithms which are used to solve the 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So let's start. Firstly, watch this chart for the better explanation of the moves of a Rubik's Cube. This figure describes the sides of a Rubik's Cube, which are upper, lower, left, right, front and back. Starting from the first layer, for that we have to make a plus. For that we have to assemble a edge piece. So here we go. Next is green and yellow, and we are finding it. And it's also done. Now green and orange. And the problem with this edge piece is we have to rotate it. For that there is an algorithm which is R inverted, D and C inverted, R, D and C. So here is another cube edge piece assembled, green and white. So here we are assembling it, and the plus is done. So corner pieces, red and white. So we have to put that edge piece down where we have to assemble it. So here we are assembling it at the down of that position. To assemble it at the right place, this algorithm is applied. R inverted, D inverted, R and down. So do this algorithm till we get our edge pieces on the right position. So it is at the right place. Assemble all edge pieces, like all corner pieces like this, and let's move out to our second layer. Here we assembled all our edge pieces and corner pieces. Let's move to our second layer, which is the middle layer. For that the cube will be should be inverted. So here red and yellow edge piece is required. So here it is. To assemble it to its right place, this algorithm is applied. U inverted, left inverted, U, L, U, F, U inverted and F inverted. Now this edge piece is its on the right position. So let's move to its to the second edge pieces. So the situation is changed. We have to arrange this edge piece to the right hand side. For this algorithm is applied. U, R, U inverted, R inverted, U inverted, F inverted, U, and at last F. So again our required edge pieces are on the right place, and assemble all the edge pieces like this. So here the second layer is also completed. Let's move to our third layer. Now we are going to solve the third layer. We can see there is an L shape of the same color. We need to convert it into a plus of blue color. Even if you get any other shape apart from L, then the same algorithm will be applied. The algorithm is F, R, upper, R inverted, upper inverted, and F inverted. So here we got a line, horizontal line. So apply this algorithm again. And here we got a plus shape of blue color. So we have to make T's on every side. So this is completed. This is not completed. So by taking a T which is completed on the front side, apply this algorithm. Right, upper, R inverted, upper, right, upper, upper, and R inverted. Here you go. Here you find two T's which is completed. By placing one T on the right side and another on the back side, apply the same algorithm again. So here you will find that all T's are completed. So let's move to our corner pieces. So we have to find a corner piece which is at the right place, but its color combination is not proper. So by taking that corner piece on the right hand side, perform this algorithm. U, R, U inverted, L inverted, U, R inverted, U inverted, and last L. You will perform this algorithm again. you will find that our two corner pieces are on the right side, right place, but two are on the not the proper place, but their color combination are same. So by placing this, we have to move to our old algorithm, which is R inverted, D inverted, R down. The R inverted, D inverted, R down. So here we do not worry about the color combination on the bottom. Then slide on and only slide the upper layer and perform this algorithm again till you get your required corner piece on the right place. So here the cube is completely solved. Thanks for watching this video.